Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you can move immediately into building. First, pick an auth strategy, OAuth 2, JWT, or session cookies, because it shapes your routes and security. Next, create a minimal profile schema, ID, name, email, avatar URL created at, then implement a database migration. Once done, seed one test user and run a quick query to confirm connectivity. Make sure your dev environment matches production settings to avoid surprises later. Now you implement the middle steps that connect backend and frontend. Start by adding CRUD endpoints. Get /profile, post /profile, put /profile, delete /profile, and secure them with your chosen auth. Validate and sanitize inputs server-side, require proper email format, and limit avatar uploads to a safe file size like 2 MB. Meanwhile, build a responsive UI form that mirrors validation, shows an avatar preview, and submits via AJAX so the user experience remains. Finish by running comprehensive tests and hardening the system so users stay safe. You should run unit and integration tests for auth flows, edge cases, and file uploads. Once green, deploy migrations and enable HTTPS. Make sure CORS and content security policy headers are strict, and set up rate limits and error reporting. If something goes wrong, check logs for 4xx/5xx patterns. A common issue is missing permissions on media storage. Revert the last migration and apply the fix, then redeploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.